A very good morning, students. Today I am taking the third poem from your book Flamingo, Keeping Quiet. Keeping Quiet is composed by Pablo Neruda. He was born in 1904 and died in 1973. It was his pen name and later legal name of this famous Chilean poet, diplomat, politician. He won the Nobel Prizes for Literature in the year 1971. He wrote in green ink, which was his personal symbol for desire and hope. His writings are simple, wherein lies their beauty. Originally written in Spanish, the essence of this poem is based on introspection and retrospection. The poet feels that some soul searching is needed for us to be at peace with ourselves and others. Okay, so this was the introduction of the poem. Today I just actually just next to my house the construction is going on, so lots of different disturbances coming. Okay, so just let's start the summary, and that's why I'm not explaining the poem today. Keeping Quiet is a peace poem written by the Chilean poet Pablo Neruda. The poet asks humanity to count numbers from 1 to 12, 12 being the number of hours shown in a clock or the number of zodiac signs. He requests everyone not to speak because languages create barriers between people. The moment when everyone stops moving their body will be very special and different as we have never experienced such a moment before. The poet says that in this period of inactivity, the fisherman would not harm the whales. The salt gatherers will not hurt their hands. Those who are busy destroying the nature will adopt a new approach towards life. The men who are preparing for wars and victory based on deaths of innocent people will join their enemy and stand in unity with them. Doing nothing, no one will harm himself or any other person. Everyone will unite and ponder upon his acts and realize the results of his deeds. The poet means the poet clarifies his ideas in this poem. We see that poet he expresses his feelings, and he thinks that people, if they stop doing anything for some time, then they can stop harming others and themselves also. Everyone will unite and ponder means everyone will help each other to live, to survive. And the poet clarifies his idea and says further that he does not want that people should stand idle. He wants that there should be no war because he does not want to see trucks laden with with dead bodies of the soldiers. He is promoting universal brotherhood and peace. The poet says that everyone means is working continuously to achieve one's goal. People are threatened by death, and the fear forces them to work endlessly so that they can achieve everything quickly. Yes, we want to, in this poem, the poet want to see that we all are running, rushing, uh, in order to achieve everything. We want to grab everything, and we have no feeling of brotherhood and peace. The poet says that everyone is working continuously to achieve one's goal only. Okay, we are focusing on our goals. We do not think about humanity. People are threatened by death, and the fear forces them to work endlessly. Means they know that one day they will come to their end, and before that they want to grab everything. They want that they should have all the things in their life. That's why they just don't care about humanity and human beings. They do not realize the life is very much short, and they should be means they should live with peace and harmony. They don't believe in these things. He wants us now. Poet wants us to pause and come out of the mad rush. He wants us to be happy about our achievements and celebrate them. He wants us to overcome the fear of death and to relax for a while. We should know the results of our deeds and celebrate our achievements. Means the poet wants us that we should not rush towards those things which are sometimes impossible for a particular person, or a particular thing is not possible. Suppose everyone cannot be doctor, everyone cannot be engineer, everyone cannot be president or prime minister. Okay, we are given, we are blessed with some special talents, and we should try to explore ourselves. Okay, not to other things. Many people, they just want that they should achieve everything altogether, which is not possible. So here, writer, this poet wants us to understand the meaning of happiness. That if we are keeping quiet, then lots of things there will be lots of changes may come in our life. Okay, if fisherman will stop, if he will keep quiet, he will also not harm the whales, the fishes. And if men stop for some time, he will stop means he will also stop creating problems for other people, because we all want to achieve, we all want to get success in our life. In order to get success, sometimes we ignore humanity, we ignore human beings. That exactly poet doesn't want. So on next turn, we'll continue with each stanza. I will discuss poetic devices, rhyme scheme if it is there. Okay, first of all, the poem is seems to me vice versa, means it has no poetic scheme. Okay, so that everything we will discuss on next turn. All the best for your upcoming exams. Your half yearly exams are going on, and after this we will plan out how to conduct Zoom classes. And in Zoom classes you will get lots of chances, opportunities to discuss your doubts. You will if you will be having. I request you to please, after exams, those who have prepared, who have made copies, please give me, so that I may correct them. Okay, you will be given of course projects also for your board exams, but after this half yearly exam. So till then, goodbye, have a nice day.